sunscreen.
So what's up, guys? Today we're playing Alright, so we're playing a Dusty Trip, and today we're getting a new car.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Wait, I remember when you were talking to me and
Sunscreen?
no, but you told me that I am cute. Did they say
Nah,
something?
they say you're funny.
Oh, and also
Is it
cute?
funny when he says sunscreen, sunscreen? Let bro do sunscreen.
Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen.
Are you good?
Sunscreen, sunscreen,
Good and
sunscreen.
What if you try doing it in a cute voice? Sunscreen? That was me that said sunscreen.
You need
Sunscreen.
sunscreen, sunscreen,
Ah! Why did you just? How did you make the table wobble? Also, earlier I wasn't recording because I kind of forgot to. I got a nail gun.
Yeah, it's long. Banana flying. Banana them flying. Banana flying.
Me don't want to do CMAS. Me hate CMAS. CMAS suffer. Me.
I don't have that field. I'm just kidding.
Well, bro, you are not in the same grade as me, and you are not a third grader.
I'm a field.
Apple juice! You remember to make it fly. White egg.
More jelly.
Yes or no, or else I eat you.
I'm trying to.
Click attention. Oh.
Do you need this?
Oh no. We can't walk the new content. Put the monster. Actually, let's keep that for in case. Actually, Little Rocky, you stop putting a monster truck wheel. You're gonna make it start slower. Actually, I don't even think we need this. Yes, put that picture on. We need that picture of good luck.
I'm changing where the position is.
I'm. Hey! Scrubby, scrub, scrub.
Yes. I'm putting
Yes!
I'm putting that on for protection. I'm putting water.
Is that also for good? We need that gun. Are you about to get that gun?
No.
Literal, that's enough. One more and then that's enough.
No.
Don't put more! I'm driving away from you. Then get back on and don't do that.
More protection.
Good little boy. Now go back! Since I don't need this gun anymore. Nah, I'm
Close door.
This is the emergency gun. What door? Oh, the ancient door. Now I'm gonna be pee again. Little.
Yeah,
I'm not putting the lemonade in there.
yeah.
Yay, I completed a quest. Now I leave. No, I'm joking. Close the gas cap. No, you're gonna have to spend Robux. Meep, meep, meep. Meep, meow. Meow, meow. Meow. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. Putu, 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 putu. I'm a pancake. If I ever die in this game,
Wait, we forgot to take
oh. Now if we die, if we die, we make part 4 next day. Cause I'm tired too. I'm too tired. I might just drive into the port. Now I'm joking. If it did, this video would be ending up as a short. Now, editor, speed up until we get to the spot. Guys, the editor stopped that because there was a tree that fell on me. Alright, back to the same thing. Unpause again. I don't trust that.
Go fast!
This is literally max speed, so. Okay, do the same thing again. Unpause. Also, we also oh no! Was that a Ryan AS717? There's nothing in there. Also, if you get close, you die. What is happening? Did we just run our field? So we need to get to 2,000 meters. What is that, miles? No, we do got food, bro. What, you forgot? You mean we forgot that onion? Also, the bunnies that we caught in the desert is actually wolf. Actually, I think so.
Woof.
Ah! Mono, mono, oh no, I know. Stay in the car for safety. Alright, let's just cut until we get there. Actually, I added a cut for the other fights too. And also cut now. I will be watching YouTube. And also, it won't be copyrighted. Actually, never mind. I don't think about it. Ah! Wait, you see tomato? Oh! Oh! Yeah, why not? We could actually have it.
Maybe because the gate fits with that.
What'd you mean that?
This one.
Elsa?
Yeah.
Bro! I also cut out that part when he says inappropriate stuff. Bro, don't say the G word. The word that you just said, don't say it. Should I risk it?
Yeah.
Let's hope I don't lose my nail gun. The majestical nail gun. I'm actually scared. Ah! No, I dropped it. Uh-oh, I'm close.
Go to the car!
I got it back. Okay, at least that works. Lero, get out the car. We're about to transfer cars. Yes, now get out. It was safe now. Bring all the stuff to the parking lot. Can you do that, please, little bro? Yes, also the gun, the backup gun. I was about to use that, but if I couldn't get that, I would have used it. Little bro, you good? Also, if you're not trying to get, also if you got this vehicle already, guys, also if you got this vehicle already, I'm stuttering. Just go here still. Oh no, oh no. I just wasted precious oil.
You are ungrateful.
That was an accident. Now we slam dunk it close.
We need banana.
What's in the back, also? Vault location 8 kilometers. I don't know. Put it randomly on the car wherever you want. Also get the lucky picture.
But not the Elsa one?
Is it because you think it's bad luck?
Yes.
Okay. I guess.
You get the apple.
Apple.
Get the apple.
Bro, where'd the wheel go? Hello there, dead sir. Why is that guy dead? Am I too innocent? Yo, where's that other... You got it all?
And get the useful stuff.
Lyra, can you get the flashlight? I'm gonna get the scrub. Actually, I just realized we don't need it.
Let me tell you something. I just put it. Can you get the zombies just for me to add
You can do it. Also, you can't, if you sell them, they barely make any money. And also, we don't need them like dead rails. We should probably do a dead rails video after I get from school. Lyra, don't do that. You're gonna slow us down. Excuse me. Lyra, can you get to the second seat right here? When you put the apple on. Just get on. I just put on the apple already.
But how about the flashlight?
Lyra, can you put on there? I'm gonna get. Lyra, put on the apple. I'm gonna get on the flat. I'm not.
Oh, there we go.
No. No. No, we can just go to Costco, ma'am. Lyra, get inside of the car.
Ma'am.
Lyra, get inside the car.
Oh.
What? You jumped in the wheel! Yes. No, go down, YouTube. YouTube, man. Bro, who put the wheel? I say, who turned the car 90 degrees? Wait, who even turned the car literally 90 degrees in the first place? Found it. Get on. Oh, this doesn't attach, so we're just going to. Oh no! Get back inside! Get inside the car! Get inside the car, little bro! Get inside the car! Get inside of the car! Oh no! Oh no!
I got too scared that I left the game. I got too scared that I left the game. Big boy, you literally got too scared that I left the game.
I'm gonna go rest.
I got too scared that I left the game.
Why? But I'm fresh meat, bro.